How are you all? Fine. Okay. So children, today I am going to teach you the remaining line patterns because we have already learned standing line, sleeping line, left slanting line, right slanting line, left half circle and right half circle in last video. So now I am going to teach you remaining line patterns, bumpety line, lumpety line and up and down. Okay, so let's see what I draw on board. See, what is this? This is a honeybee. What is this? Honeybee. And honeybee wants to go in her house. What's her house is called? Beehive. Very good. Her house is called beehive. So she wants to go in her house. Let's see how she went in her house. Yes. This is one type of line pattern. It is called Humpty line. What's her called? Humpty line. When we goes on the road, at that time we see humps on the road. All of you see? Yes, that is humps. So this line is called Humpty line. Honeybee fly like this. Up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down and reach in her house. Now let's see what it is. This is a butterfly. Butterfly wants to sit on that flower. So how he fly like this? Look at me. Down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. Again down and up and sit on that flower. So butterfly fly like a bumpety line. He fly like a bumpety lines. So this is a line is called bumpety line. This line is called bumpety line. Okay children? Now children, see what it is? This is a ladybug and ladybug wants to eat that leaf. So let's see how the ladybug goes. Up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. He walks like this and go to that leaf and eat that leaf. So this line is called up and down line. Which line? Up and down line. So children, all of you say after me. This one line is Humpty line. Which is this line? Say loudly all of you. Humpty line. Then this is bumpety line. Say all of you, bumpety line. Very good. This is up and down. Which line? Up and down. Now children, let's see how to write these line patterns in 4 lines. So look at me. Look at me. Look at the blackboard. Put your pencil on blue line. Go up. Draw a hump like this and draw again standing line, touch on second blue line. Very good. Again go on that same line, go up, draw a hump and touch on second blue lines. Draw this standing line straight. Again go on the same line, go up, draw a hump like this and draw standing line straight and touch on this second blue line. Like this you have to write this Humpty line. Okay? We will write again. Put your pencil on blue line, go up, draw a hump like this. Again draw a standing line straight, touch on second blue line. Very good. Again go up on the same line. Draw humps like this. Then go down, straight standing line, touch on this blue line, second blue line. Again go up, draw a hump and touch on the second blue line. This is a Humpty line. Very good. Draw a hump like this, touch on this red line, draw a hump, go down straight, touch on second blue line, go on same line, draw a hump, touch on red line and again touch on this second blue line. Again go up, draw a hump and touch on a second blue line. This is a Humpty line. Okay children, all of you understand this line? Say all of you loudly with me. Humpty line. Say loudly. Humpty line. Very nice. Humpty line. Humpty line. Humpty line. Okay. Now we will see how to write a bumpety line. Okay. Put your pencil on red line. Go down. Draw a bump like this. You have to touch this bump on blue line. Second blue line. Again go straight. Touch on red line again. Go on same line again. Draw a bump. Again go up. Straight standing line. Touch on red line. Again go down on same line. And draw bump like this and touch on the red line. This is a bumpety line. Again, from red line to blue line, second blue line, draw a bump like this. Again go up, straight, go down, same line on same line, touch on blue line, draw a bump, again go straight up, again go down on same line and draw a bump like this and touch on the red line. This is a bumpety line. Okay. From red line to second blue line, draw a bump, again go straight, draw standing line, go down on same line, draw bump, go straight, go down again same line, touch on second blue line and touch on the red line. This is a bumpety line. Understand children, all of you? Now say all of you loudly with me. Bumpety line. Bumpety line. Bumpety line. Bumpety line. Very good children. Now let's see how to write up and down. Okay children? See, put your pencil on second blue line. Go little bit slant to the right side. Touch on red line. Again draw left slanting line. Touch on second blue line. Again draw right slanting line. Touch on red line. Again go down and touch on second blue line and draw left slanting line. Again draw right slanting line and again draw left slanting line and touch on this line. Don't go below this line. Okay children? Now again go up, draw right slanting line. Go down, draw left slanting line. Again go up, right slanting line, go down, left slanting line, go up, right slanting line and go down and touch on this second blue line, left slanting line. this is a up down. Okay, again up down, up down, up down. When we goes up, you have to touch on this red line. When we goes down, you have to touch on this second blue line. So children, all of you understand all these line by dust division? So you have to do lots of practice at home because we have to learn alphabets with the help of these line patterns. In next video, I will show you how to write alphabets. Till you have to do lots of practice at home. Bye bye children.